I think I'm messed up. I should have thanked Karl Drais for my burger. Meet Karl Drais. Full name, Karl Friedrich Christian Ludwig Freiherr Drais von Sauerbrunn. Yeah, that's a mouthful. Living in 19th century Germany, Karl was a fan of mechanics and machinery. His genius led to the creation of the meat grinder. Before Karl, grinding meat was a real chore, expensive and time-consuming. Thanks to his invention, we can now whip up burgers, meatloaf, sausage and meatballs in no time. So, the next time you savor that juicy patty, give a little thanks to Karl Drais, and hey, home chefs out there, you owe this man big time. If you love history and tasty food, smash that like button and subscribe for more fun facts.